Hi there you guys, so right now I'm coming back from Sephora and I wanted to show you what I got. First of all, I got gifted this thing by Ariane Beauty with her foundation right here. You get to try out the shades. I just tried the Light 5N a little bit because I had the marks from my glasses here which really bother me. Then I also got a coupon code from Sephora, then a Narciso Rodriguez for her fragrance. Those are the samples. But the star of the show is finally I get to try this milk cooling water jelly tint, and I got it in the shade Burst. So here it is, and I really wanted to unbox it with you. So here it comes, and it's supposed to stain your skin. So let's see. Now I'm opening it. Oop. Here it is. Let's roll it all the way up and see how much product do we get. Here it is. Boom. Wow, that's a lot. Let's see. Literally stained my finger. So you can use this as a lipstick, as blush, as whatever you want. I just wanted to try it. It feels so good on the lips. It's a little cooling, yeah. I don't want to get my teeth stained though. I don't have a mirror. I'm in a park, so I'll just try it like that. You know what's cool about this is that you'll apply it, and it's not like a lipstick, like the lipstick that doesn't smudge, that doesn't come off. No, this thing just literally will stain your lips. So it doesn't matter what you do, it will give color to your lips and it will not fade off. I'm just curious to test for how long like it will stay on my lips, keep my lips stained. For how long will that happen? Like, will it be for a day, for 2 days? Now you see the difference clearly. My lips are stained. I'm a bit scared to go on my cheeks right now, maybe just a little bit. Let's see if I can like blur this a little bit. Yeah, maybe like that it will work. I think you're supposed to apply it with a brush on the cheeks to really like give that blush effect. Now if you're using saliva or maybe setting spray to blend this out, for sure it will blend. If you're just trying to rub it against your skin, it won't really work quite as much. Okay, now that's a bit too much, but still, it's kind of cool. I really like it, see? Well, and that's basically it. I will let you know, I'll post on the screen how long did it keep my lips stained after all. Like, was it a day, was it half a day, was it 2 days or whatever. But I'm very happy that I got it, because this way, whenever I'm going out, I can just apply this as a base on my lips, and then once it absorbs into the skin, I can put whatever lipstick I want on top, but once the lipstick comes off, this doesn't. So that's why I really like this product and really wanted to get it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it, share my videos everywhere, follow me everywhere basically. Check out my YouTube channels, my Instagram, TikTok, everything, of course. I highly appreciate your support, and comment something down below. What do you think about it? Like, did you try it? What experiences did you have with this product? And what else would you like to see next? Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.